Boots, here's a pop quiz. Guess what? It says choo-choo and is long just like a banana. What is it? Can you guess what it is?
It says choo-choo and is long just like a banana? What is it? What is it?
Do you know what it is? Can you say it loud? Great! Yes, it's a train. I like the choo-choo train very much.
I like the fire engine most. People, 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 people.
Boots, do you like to go and find wheeler friends who can take us anywhere as fast as a train or fire engine? It's going to be a great adventure. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah!
Sounds good! But Dora, where should we go to meet wheeler friends?
Who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go? Map! Right! Will you check the map? You have to say map.
I'm the map, I'm the map.
He's the map, he's the man.
I'm the map!
Dora and Boots want to meet wheeler friends who can go anywhere fast. If you go to Hammer Spanner Repair Shop, you can meet many kinds of cars. You want to see Tico's car? Tico is going to go on a picnic to the highest mountain today. If you go to Choo Choo Station, you can meet Blue Train Azul. Well, where do we go first? The highest mountain.
Dora, look, it's Tico.
Hi, Tico!
Hi!
Hi!
Ooh, ooh, ah, ah! Wow, it's cool!
Dora, Boots, look at this bird.
Help me please.
Dora, it's Baby Bird.
Baby bird, what's wrong?
I'm lost. I have to get back home to the highest mountain. My mom is there. Mom!
Uh-oh.
It's dark already. Mom!
Don't worry, Baby Bird. Dora will help you.
Right, we can help you. We've got to bring Baby Bird to her mom. Will you come with us? All right.
But Dora, I think the highest mountain is too far away.
No problem. That's right. Tico's car can transform itself. What should we take to go to the really high and faraway place fast?
Wow! It's a plane!
Right. A plane can fly high up in the sky. Let's take a plane. Get it! Seatbelt! Seatbelt! Can you help us to fasten our seatbelts? Now we are ready to go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Please turn the propellers so the airplane keeps flying. Just tap the propellers Wow! Finally, we arrived at the highest mountain.
Mom! Mom!
Oh, my baby!
Mom! Mom!
Thank you so much.
We did it! We did it together!
We are very lucky.
Yeah!
Baby Bird met her mom. We couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for helping!
I'm the bat. I'm the mat.
He's the map! He's the man!
I'm the mat.
I'm so glad that we brought Baby Bird to her mom safely. Then, where do we go next? Choo-choo station!
We are at Choo-Choo Station. We are going to meet Blue Train Azul here.
Look, Dora. My friends are playing choo-choo.
Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
Wow, it looks interesting.
Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
Hey, can we join a choo-choo?
Of course!
Good!
Come in here.
Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Let's play choo-choo!
Why don't we go and meet our friend Blue Train Azul?
Yeah!
Let's go! Choo-choo!
Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Let's play choo-choo!
It's Azul.
Hi, Azul!
Azul, playing choo-choo is really fun.
Yeah, right. Azul, can you give us a ride? It will be a great trip.
Yeah! Right! Guys, I'm sorry, but I can't move.
Azul, what's wrong?
I can't find my train cars. Mine are mixed with other trains' cars. Phew!
Oh no!
Don't worry, Azul. We will help you. Let's find Azul's train cars together. Will you help us? Great!
All my train cars are blue. Can you find blue train cars?
Again! Great!
Uh-oh.
Great! Great! We found all the train cars. Come on, high five!
Wow, thank you very much. Now I can run again. Choo-choo! Before I go, choo-choo! Whistle loudly and go.
Wow, Azul's whistle sounds really cool.
Chugga chugga choo choo! Fantastic!
Wait, Dora, do you hear that?
It sounds like Swiper the fox. Do you see Swiper? Where?
Yes, there he is.
We need your help to stop him. We have to say, Swiper no swiping. Say it with us.
Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping.
You're too late. You'll never find it now.
Oh no!
Don't worry, we can find it. Do you see Azul's whistle? Let's find it together. It's a drum. It's a triangle. Smart Lucky. Wow, we found Azul's whistle.
Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Let's go to a train trip all together! Choo-choo! Yay!
We were able to find Azul's whistle and play choo-choo together. We couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for helping!
I really like the rocking horse.
Tico likes my rocking horse too.
Will you exchange it with my swing chair?
Well, I do want the swing chair.
Hi! Hi!
I'm glad you guys are here. What do you think of this swing chair? Does it look good?
Oh, you want to exchange the rocking horse with a swing chair?
Yeah, the baby bunnies keep fighting over the rocking horse.
That chair is long, so they can ride it together. I want that rocking horse too.
Oh, Tico likes your rocking horse too.
But the chair looks too old. The paint is coming off, and it looks dirty.
How about we make the chair pretty?
How?
We can wipe off the dirt, paint, and put on some stickers.
Wow, that's a great idea. That will make it better.
All right. We need your help. Will you help us?
Will you use the sponge to clean the spot off the swing chair? Wow! The chair is clean now. Let's paint it so its color will be nice and bright. Let's paint the swing chair. This time, paint the bottom. Wow! The swing chair looks new. Let's put on the stickers. The vegetable stickers for the baby bunnies. Yay! Yay! It's pretty! It's pretty! Wow! Wow! Yay! This time, put the stickers on the bottom. It's pretty! Wow! It's pretty! Yay! Wow! It's pretty! Yeah! Wow! It's the vegetable pattern swing chair!
Wow! My baby bunnies will love this!
Yay! I love it! Will the baby bunnies need my boots?
They look nice, but... Oh, they will fight over one pair.
I get it! Dora, will Tico need my boots? Tico, do you need boots? Boots, maybe?
No! Those are too big for me.
Boots! Tico says that your red boots are too big for him. I see. Don't worry. We can look for another friend. Right! We made Tico's old swing chair pretty. With your help, Tico exchanged his swing chair for the rocking horse. Thanks for helping.
I'm the mat, I'm the mat,
He's the man, he's the man.
I'm the mat!
Tico and the bunny look happy. But Tico and the bunny don't need Boots' red boots. Where do we go next? Let's go to the friends too. Friends!
Boots and I are at the flea market. Here, I can give other friends the things I don't need. And I can get the things I need from them. I'll find a friend who needs these red boots. I want scissors and a colored pencil. How about other friends?
I need that. I like the picture book.
No, not that.
I have that.
What do we do? Guys, what is going on?
We can't figure out how to exchange our things with each other.
I have the picture book, but I want to exchange it with the crayons.
I have the crayons, but I want the pants. Camilla and I have the same problem. We want to exchange different things with each other.
This is hard, really hard. Let's stop and think. Let's just put our things together. And we can find the things we need.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah. all the things we want are here.
Wow! Wow! There are so many things!
Will you help us take the things we need?
Will you bring me all the picture books?
Good! Where is the picture book?
Oh, that scared me!
Great! Where is the picture book?
Yay!
Where is the picture book? Great!
Thank you. Will you bring me all the pants?
Where are the pants? Where are the pants? Where are the pants? Where are the pants? Where are the pants?
Yay!
Where are the pants? Where are the pants? Where are the pants? Where are the pants? Great! Where are the pants? Great!
Thanks.
Will you bring me all the crayons?
Try again!
Great!
Wow!
Good! Where is the crayon? Where is the crayon? Where is the crayon?
Wow! Thank you!
I want dolls. Will you bring me all the dolls?
Yay!
Where is the doll?
Try again! Oh, that scared me!
Great!
Wow!
Where is the doll?
Wow!
Thank you.
Did everyone get the things they want?
Yes.
Then I want the scissors and the color pencil. Great! Ah, nobody took Boots' red boots.
Does anyone need my boots? No, they're too old.
I looked and found the holes on the bottom.
Oh, right.
Don't worry, Boots. We can find another friend. Our friends exchange their things. Will you help us find a friend who needs boots, Boots? Thanks for helping!
I'm the mat, I'm the mat.
He's the map, he's the man.
I'm the mat!
Everyone took the things they need. But nobody took Boots' red boots.
I love my boots! Dora, nobody needs my boots. Boots, cheer up! Hi, Dora and Boots. Boots, can you give me those? My red boots? Yeah, I was looking for those. Really? But they have holes on the bottom. Oh, really? That's even better. Watch. I put some soil, plant the seeds, and water them. Ta-da! Wow! I needed a flower pot. I look at it every day, place it in sunlight, and water it. It's That's great, Boots. We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! We did it! We did it! Yay! Then he picked out the things for the flea market.